It is possible to digitize a variety of audio sources in Sanico Lab 300. Whether you still have material on cassette or you're wanting to save a copy of your own voice as a resource for later use in perhaps a mark to speak activity, there are several methods you can use. Firstly, you have source to source, which is what you would generally use to digitize your material in advance of a lesson. Here's how it's done. Click on the source to source icon, or you can go Other, Source to Source. On the right hand side you say where the sound is coming from and then where the sound is going to. It is worth noting that you wouldn't use this for CDs, as there are many specific pieces of software that can rip or convert CDs to MP3s quickly and easily. If you want to digitize a cassette, you select From Cassette and queue it up. If it's you, choose From Teacher. We are making MP3s here, so it will be to a media file. Now click Copy. Here you need to name the file and give it a destination, which will be your shared network area. As soon as you click on Save, the process starts. The cassette will play automatically, or you would need to start speaking into the mic on the headset. Once finished, click on Copy or go straight to Close. You can now listen back to the file in the Sanico Lab 300 to check it, and then when needed, file launch it to the students. The next way is via transfer or manual, with automatic digitization enabled in the setup. Transfer will give both you and the students a copy, and manual allows the students to listen only but still gives you a copy. These are generally used on the fly. To decide which one to use, ask yourself one question. Do I want my students to be able to listen back to the material once it has been played? If the answer is yes, use transfer. If it is no, use manual. Here's how it's done. In the program source box, select what you want the students to hear, for example you, the teacher, or a cassette. If using a cassette, queue it up now. Now click on either transfer or manual. Transfer will start a cassette playing automatically, but with manual you will have to press play yourself. Please note that the student's media player will be grayed out until you have finished. To finish, press the transfer or manual buttons again. You are now prompted to save the material that has gone out to the students. Click OK and now name it and find a suitable location for it. It will be saved as an MP3 for use later. Eventually you will no longer need your cassettes, as they will all be digitized.